another ceiling fan here at my cousin's house in South Carolina. This is in their office. I don't know. It's kind of fuzzy with the light on. I have to turn the light off. Sorry. It's a little fuzzy in here. Here's medium. Here's medium. Here's medium. There's high. Right. Oh, it feels good. Convinced. Fan feels good. I can't tell if this is a Hunter or a Harbor Breeze. I don't know the model of this. Oh, it feels good. Alright, I don't want to break the string, so I'm going to be really careful. Turn it line off. Alright. That's going to be it for now. That's it.